Good Thursday morning. Yes, it's another chilly one in here. Fans off, AC's off. 66 degrees. It keeps bouncing between 66.9 and 67 degrees in here. Don't know what the temp is outside. A little chilly. Not very pleased with Walmart delivery so far. Placed an order for delivery yesterday for 5 p.m. Had the notification. Well, it'll be between 5 and 7. Okay, that's fine. I'll wait down at the main house. Almost 7 o'clock, I get a notice. Oh, your order's going to be delayed for about 2 hours. No, it's not. I rescheduled it to be delivered between 7 and 9 this morning. We'll see if that works. Needless to say, I mean, this is the first time doing an order for delivery from Walmart since I've been here. They just barely started doing the deliveries out this far. We'll see. I won't complain too much. Guess what today is? Today is Demolition Day. Ha 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 ha. As far as I know, that young couple's coming out today. Not sure when. I'll hear from her at some point. It's early. I mean, it's only 5 o'clock now. I've been up for about an hour. They'll come to pick up. I'm not sure if they'll have a truck to pick up the chaise lounge or not. I hope so, but they may not. I don't know. But they'll come to demo the bedroom, so I've got a little bit of work to do up there to get it prepared. And they will pick up the stuff that I've got for them. I've got a big one of the big blue totes outside. They can keep the tote. And I've got a bin of stuff in here. They can keep the bin. Let me think. Mama's brain's not fully functioning yet. Did get another item sold from my marketplace listings yesterday. We'll see. Yeah, okay. Brain fart. I'm thinking of checking into a local bank for cash deposits. My bank, I kept my bank from Tennessee, but there's not a branch here local to me. I have to go into Western Alabama. It's about an hour and a half drive. I'm not driving it I'd waste more gas. So I may look at opening an account with just a small account locally here, and look into doing that, because I need to be able to, if I get cash, because I do most of my stuff online, as you know. I've said it before. So I need to consider something. I don't know. That one I'm up and down on. I love my bank. So we'll see. The Backwoods therapist did have her first session yesterday. I think it turned out okay. We'll see how that goes. I'm not sure. Oh, I got no crocheting done yesterday. I wasn't feeling it at all, which is fine. Oh, I did do a thing though. I made a little holder from good old Dollar Tree finds. Their pencil or whatever you put in it. And I was able to separate down my hooks by size. Will make finding stuff a heck of a lot easier. Oh, ow, ow, stretch, grunt, groan. Ugh. Gonna be one of those days, I think. At some point, I may look at taking a run up to Tupelo, simply because I want to check the Dollar Tree up there and see how that one is. This one, I live in a small town. It's a very small Dollar Tree, so they don't have a lot of options on some of their departments. Got myself some good old-fashioned regular pot holders that I needed instead of the flimsy little things that I had. And I will continue pulling stuff together as I come across it for this young couple. If they're interested, I mean, I'm not going to force anything on them. I mean, if they don't want something, that's fine. I can't think of what I was going to say. Yeah, my brain's not functioning yet. Well, no, it's a case that it's over functioning. I've got so many thoughts going on that things I need to get done before they get here, and so I gotta let my brain catch up with it. So I think this is going to be another short one this morning. So on that note, I will let you go. Have yourself a fantastic day. Hugs and smooches. Mama loves ya.